Right, folks, Amy from Colorado Mountain Living. This is the calm before the storm. As you can see behind me, one patch of blue left in the sky. These big, heavy clouds are rolling in. The storm is expected to drop right about between noon and 1 p.m. today. Our snow totals are forecasted to be 4 feet of snow, 45 inches in Black Hawk, and for us, we're 1,000 feet higher than that. Brian is out for a grocery run, getting more food. I've been filling up water bottles. I've been charging off our battery packs. We have our generator filled. We have gasoline. We have diesel for the tractor. We've got the tracks in the four-wheeler. We're ready. Stay tuned.